Fezolinetant. On May of 2023, the FDA approved the first pill designed specifically to reduce hot flashes, a drug called Fezolinetant, Veoza. Fezolinetant works by binding to and blocking the activities of a receptor that plays a role in the brain's regulation of body temperature. Many women cannot or prefer not to take hormone therapy for hot flashes, but they are often unsure of what non-hormone options work and what doesn't. Hot flashes, sudden waves of heat across the face and chest, are perhaps the most stereotypical and well-known feature of menopause. For many women, they are also one of the most unpleasant. Hot flashes are thought to occur due to fluctuating hormone levels that occur during menopause or after medical treatments that affect hormone levels. Consequently, hormone replacement is a common method of treating these symptoms, and one of the most effective, according to medical reports. In women under age 60, who entered menopause less than 10 years ago and have no contraindications, hormone therapy should be considered a first line of treatment. The good news for women is that there are many options available for the treatment of bothersome hot flashes, including several non-hormone therapies. There are a variety of different methods of managing hot flashes, including lifestyle changes like diet, exercise and weight loss, nutritional supplements, mind-body techniques such as hypnosis, non-hormonal prescription medications, and holistic therapies such as acupuncture. Perhaps surprisingly, there was little evidence to support the use of lifestyle changes like avoiding certain trigger foods, cooling techniques, exercise or yoga, except for weight loss. Women who lost weight after taking a weight loss medication found that their hot flashes decreased. And when the medication was stopped and weight was regained, the hot flashes returned. In addition, none of the dietary supplements, including soy-based products, herbal remedies or cannabinoids, were found to be effective. Clinical hypnosis and cognitive behavioral therapy, on the other hand, were effective. Women who participated in cognitive behavioral therapy reported that their hot flashes were less of a problem. And in two different studies of clinical hypnosis, one with survivors of breast cancer and another in women with at least 7 hot flashes per day, found that the hypnosis significantly reduced hot flashes as well as improved mood and sleep. In both trials, clinical hypnosis involved 5 weekly in-person sessions of hypnotherapy with at-home self-hypnosis practice. And while acupuncture was not recommended, a procedure called stellate ganglion block used for pain management, depression and post-traumatic stress disorder did show some moderate effectiveness. Finally, there were a number of prescription medications that also had significant benefits. The class of antidepressants known as SSRIs and SNRIs, which stands for selective serotonin or norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors, were particularly effective. Paroxetine, Paxil, escitalopram, Lexapro, citalopram, Celexa, venlafaxine, Effexor, and esvenlafaxine, Pristiq, had been shown to significantly reduce hot flashes in large double-blinded trials. Gabapentin, a drug typically prescribed for pain or the treatment of epilepsy, was also found to be effective, as well as the overactive bladder medication oxybutynin. Drug for hot flush. Game-changing drug to prevent hot flushes wins approval in UK too. Veoza, also known as Fezolinetant, is prescription only and will be available privately from January. A game-changing drug that prevents hot flushes and could benefit hundreds of thousands of women has been approved for use in the UK. The green signal for Veoza, also known as Fezolinetant, comes after the US regulator, the Food and Drug Administration, authorized it for use in America in May 2023. Hot flushes, also called vasomotor symptoms, affect about 70% of women going through the menopause. Women can suddenly and overwhelmingly feel hot, which often has an impact on their quality of life, exercise, sleep and productivity. Despite the enormous numbers of women affected, for decades there have been few safe and effective treatment options. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT, is the most effective, but this is unsuitable for many, such as some women with a history of breast or ovarian cancer, blood clots, or with untreated high blood pressure. Some women experience side effects or would prefer a non-hormonal alternative. Veoza has been approved for use in women experiencing hot flushes associated with the menopause with immediate effect. However, it has not been studied for safety and efficacy in women over the age of 65. so no dose recommendation can yet be made for this age group. The drug is a prescription-only medicine and will initially be available privately from 5 January, according to officials at Astellas, which makes the drug. The company has begun the process of applying to the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence to enable women to access the treatment on the NHS. The price of Veoza has not yet been approved by the Department of Health and Social Care. Astellas said in response to questions about the cost of the treatment. In the US, the cost was set at $550, £430, for a 30-day supply. Veoza is a non-hormonal menopause drug that acts directly on the brain to prevent hot flushes. It works by blocking a brain protein called neurokinin 3 that plays a unique role in regulating body temperature in menopausal women. Fezolinetant novel mechanism of action targets the root cause of moderate to severe VMS, vasomotor symptoms, associated with menopause. We are proud to have developed an innovative treatment option for a condition that has lacked scientific advancement for too long. It's like a switch. Within a day or two the flushes go away. It's unbelievable how well these drugs work. It's going to be completely game-changing for a lot of women. A large clinical trial of Fezolinetant published in March showed that after 12 weeks of use it reduced the frequency of hot flushes by about 60% in women with moderate or severe symptoms, compared with a 45% reduction in those who received a placebo. Women also said the drug reduced the severity of hot flushes and improved the quality of their sleep. Veoza acts directly on the temperature control pathway and does not replace estrogen, which falls steeply in the menopause. The treatment will not address the wider range of symptoms some women experience, including fatigue, muscle weakness and mood swings. What is Veoza, Fezolinetant? Veoza is a prescription medicine used to reduce moderate to severe vasomotor symptoms due to menopause. Veoza is not a hormone. Vasomotor symptoms are the feelings of warmth in the face, neck, and chest, or sudden intense feelings of heat and sweating, hot flashes or hot flushes. This medicine is available only with your doctor's prescription. It is available in the dosage form of tablet. Pharmacology. Mechanism of action. Non-hormonal selective neurokinin 3, NK3, receptor antagonist. Blocks neurokinin B, NKB, binding on the kisspeptin/neurokinin/dynorphin, ND, neuron 2. Modulate neuronal activity in the hypothalamus, and thereby reduces frequency and severity of vasomotor symptoms. Peak plasma time, 1.5 hours. Steady state was reached after 2 once-daily doses, with minimal Fezolinetant accumulation. Distribution, protein-bound, 51%. VD, 189 liters. Blood-to-plasma ratio, 0.9. Metabolism, primarily metabolized by CYP1A2 and to lesser extent by CYP2C9 and CYP2C19. Major metabolite is ES 259,564, 20-fold less potent than parent compound. Elimination, half-life, 9.6 hours. Clearance, 10.8 liters per hour. Excretion, urine 76.9%, 1.1% unchanged, feces 14.7%, 0.1% unchanged. Administration, oral. May take with or without food. Administer at approximately the same time each day. Swallow tablet whole with liquids, do not cut, crush, or chew. Miss dose, if dose is missed or not taken at usual time, administer as soon as possible, unless less than 12 hours before next scheduled dose. Return to regular schedule the next day. Dosage, the dose of this medicine will be different for different patients. Follow your doctor's orders or the directions on the label. The following information includes only the average doses of this medicine. If your dose is different, do not change it unless your doctor tells you to do so. The amount of medicine that you take depends on the strength of the medicine. Also, the number of doses you take each day, the time allowed between doses, and the length of time you take the medicine depend on the medical problem for which you are using the medicine. For oral dosage form, Tablets, for moderate to severe hot flashes, adults, 45 mg, mg, once a day. Children, use and dose must be determined by your doctor. Side effects of the drug. Abdominal pain or trouble sleeping may occur. If either of these effects lasts or gets worse, tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. Remember that this medication has been prescribed because your doctor has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Tell your doctor right away if you have any serious side effects, including nausea or vomiting that doesn't stop, loss of appetite, severe stomach or abdominal pain, yellowing eyes or skin, dark urine. A very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare. However, get medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching or swelling, especially of the face, tongue or throat, severe dizziness, trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice other effects not listed above, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Precautions. Before taking Fezolinetant, tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it, or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients, which can cause allergic reactions or other problems. Talk to your pharmacist for more details. Before using this medication, tell your doctor or pharmacist your medical history, especially of liver disease, such as cirrhosis, kidney problems. Before having surgery, tell your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. During pregnancy, this medication should be used only when clearly needed. Discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is unknown if this medication passes into breast milk. Consult your doctor before breastfeeding. Interactions. Drug interactions may change how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. This document does not contain all possible drug interactions. Keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription or non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Other medications can affect the removal of Fezolinetant from your body, which may affect how Fezolinetant works. Examples include ciprofloxacin, efavirenz, estrogens, such as estradiol, conjugated estrogens, fluvoxamine, certain H2 blockers, such as cimetidine, famotidine, mexiletine, propranolol, ribociclib, rucaparib, verapamil, among others.